Today, we will show you how to turn any image into a smooth 3D animation. No fancy software needed. If you think PowerPoint is just for boring slides, think again. With a few tricks, you can create pro-level 3D animations that will make your presentation or even fun projects looks next level. Let's dive in. First, open MS Paint 3D. Yes, the free app that comes with Windows. Click on Menu, Insert, pick your first image. Now, hit Make 3D. Your flat image just got depth. Shrink it down and repeat this for 5 more times. We will use them to build a 3D cube. Click on 2D shapes, pick this shape, drag it out. This is our base. Now, place each image on the slide like building a cube. Once they are all in place, delete the base, we don't need it anymore. Now, select each image and flip it on the x-axis. This makes them look connected like a real 3D object. Finally, save it as a 3D model. This is the file that we will animate in the PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, right-click on the slide and choose Format Background. Pick a cool gradient fill. This makes our animation pop. Go to Insert, click on 3D Models, grab the file we just saved, resize it, and here's the magic. Go to Animation, select Turnable, and boom, your 3D object now spinning smoothly. Hit Slideshow to see in the action. And that's it. In just 2 minutes, we turned basic image into a smooth 3D animation. And all inside PowerPoint. No expensive software, no complicated step, just creativity. Now it's your turn. Try this with your favorite logos, photos, or memes and let me know in the comments what will you animate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome and easy tech tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.